calling to Judge Janine Edwards, Chamber 347-296-1200.
Administrative Judge Chambers.
Yes, hi. May I speak to Miss Rini Williams, please?
She's out. Can I take a message?
Who am I speaking to? I'm sorry.
This is Trevonna Hepburn.
Yes, hi, Trevonna. My name is Ida Makhaimov. You're assistant law clerk, right?
Correct.
Now, I'm calling in reference to, I spoke to Sharon, I'm sorry. Who's Sharon at your office?
Okay.
She was supposed to be a court analyst.
Yeah. What's going on?
I spoke to her on July 11th this year at 9:50 in the morning. Concerning about the complaints were filed in my case that I filed.
What's the index number?
Give me 1 second. 52 58 24 2019.
Okay, let me just read that back to you. 525824 of 2019.
Right.
Okay.
We got 1746 East 13th Street versus Ida Makhaimov. I'm the defendant on the case.
Okay. Give me 1 second. Let me just pull it up.
Sure, take your time.
Okay, yes, I see it.
Now, there is a document number 642. It's in a complaint of ongoing misconduct by Honorable Francis Rivera, which was submitted upon your chamber on May 1st, 2025. Now, on July 11th, I spoke once again to Sharon. She took down my information and she assured me that would somebody give me a call and you guys are doing an investigation. But then on May 27th, I received a letter from you. Please pull up the document. Give me 1 second. I actually e-filed it, so it would be on the record. Please pull up the document. Hold on.
And you're the defendant in this matter?
Right.
Okay.
Now, document 734.
734. Okay.
The last page, that would be the letter that I was talking about to you right now, on May 27th. You see it?
Yep.
Anyway, on July 11th conversation, and I have that conversation recorded, by the way, with Sharon. She assured me that it's on the investigation. Yet, that letter that you're seeing, I received it on 29th. Okay? Besides that point, the way the judge ruled on this, okay, numerous things happened. Numerous violations. More than 200 violations have been happening on the trial.
Okay. And so...
Can I finish, please? Please? Now, I filed it not...
Whatever issue you have with the judge, there's not much that the administrative judge can do. If it's a particular issue about a judge's decision, that's what the appellate division is for. Any issue that you have with a judge's decision should be taken up with the second department. Any issue that you have with a judge's conduct should be taken up with the judicial grievance committee, right? And so the administrative judge's role is very limited, but the issues that you're seeking is not anything that can be rectified in this office, unfortunately. And so the termination of this investigation ended when Renee sent the letter essentially explaining to you that if you have if you disagree with the judge's decision, that you have a right to appeal. That was our answer.
So, okay, the way you answered, the way the judge answered, that's not for me to decide. Now, for going further with that, I filed another complaint. Right after that, I filed a new complaint, a formal complaint because the judge had not done anything in order to stop that misconduct by Judge Rivera. So anyway, the Judge Rivera took advantage. Please, can I just finish my sentence? Judge Rivera took advantage, whatever reason is. Now, I filed another complaint, which is a document on August 4th. I filed a document 728. Okay? Now, does it look like a complaint, or does it look like I'm actually have issues with the judge's decision?
Well, you tell me. What is it that you have an issue with?
It actually says clearly, and it's actually presenting the evidence of the misconduct by the judge. Now,
right.
If we go...
The avenue that you're trying to take in to receive a resolution isn't proper, and so that's why we're trying to redirect you. Because you won't get what you're seeking in the administrative judge's office. We, unfortunately, do not have the power, nor do we want the power, right? Because judges have their elected officials, they have their own way of ruling on motions. One justice of the Supreme Court cannot tell another justice of the Supreme Court how to rule on a motion, because they're all on the same level. That's what appellate courts are for. You have someone who is higher than a trial court judge who can review your case and say whether the trial judge did do the right thing or did not do the right thing. But it doesn't occur in the administrative judge's office. And that's why Renee told you that if you disagree, that you have to appeal.
But it's not the order I was trying to present. You guys mischaracterizing my letter. It's not the letter of the disagreement with the decision. It's the letter about the misconduct, an actual misconduct done by the judge, which it's a direct duty of the administrative judge to get involved, to intervene.
Okay. And anything, all right, so what I'm saying is that what you would have to do as a litigant, right, in this courthouse, if you have an issue with the judge's conduct and not the order, right, it has nothing to do with an appeal.
Right.
That's what the Commission on Judicial Conduct is for. The judge can speak with the judge internally, but it's not anything that you would be aware of. Whatever you would be privy to would be through the Commission on Judicial Conduct. That's the body that allows for independent investigations on judges within New York State.
Now, can you just...
But anything that happens up here is going to remain confidential between the administrative judge and Judge Rivera. Whether she decides to speak with him, whether she doesn't decide to speak to him, that's not anything that you would know. The only things that you would know is if you file with the Commission on Judicial Conduct, because they actually have a duty to report back to you to their findings.
So if I reach to the administrative judge asking for an investigation of the misconduct, you telling me she's not obligated to do so? It's not mandatory?
Can you repeat that?
I'm sorry?
Can you repeat that?
So if I'm coming up, if I come up to the administrative judge telling her there is a misconduct by this judge, by certain judges, so you telling me it's not her duty to get involved? Is that what you just said? I don't understand. You're boiling me around to another department. That's what you're doing.
What I'm saying is that I'm trying to redirect you to the correct agency that can assist you properly.
No. I'm not trying to figure out my options here, ma'am. I'm trying to...
But the thing is that you're incorrect on what you believe is right.
Oh, can you open the document 737, please?
I've opened up every document that you asked me to open up. And what I'm telling you now is that the avenue that you need to go down is with the Commission on Judicial Conduct. You can file a complaint with them. And there, you can state what occurred on whatever court date you appeared before, whatever judge you appeared before, and they will do an independent honestly, you should want. You should want someone who is impartial. I know of course, we're impartial here, but this is literally created for this type of scenario. So no, I'm not trying to push you away. I'm trying to redirect you properly.
So, hold on. What about the law 22 and NYCRR, paragraph 103, subpart D? Mandates that when judge receive information indicating the substantial likelihood that another judge has committed a substantial violation of the rule, the receiving judge shall take appropriate action.
Appropriate action is a broad term.
Oh.
Right? It doesn't indicate what is appropriate action. Case law would tell us what appropriate action actually means.
Yeah, matter of document, 1998.
Okay. And what I'm telling you as a pro se litigant is that this isn't the way to go about it. Let me ask you, have you tried to file a complaint with the commission?
Can you just do me a big favor, please? Please.
Have you tried to file a complaint?
Have I tried to file a complaint?
Yes.
That's what I've been trying to file a complaint to you through the administrative.
No, I'm saying independent agency. Have you tried to file a complaint with
every single complaint was as well emailed to the Commission on Misconduct. Yes, it was. I mean, it was not a professional file, but it was forwarded.
But then that's not like filing.
No. That's like the witnesses that the judge, Jean Edwards, is aware of the situation. That's his under her roof.
No, you have to do an online complaint form. That's where you can state your grievance, state exactly what happened. You can upload the documents if you want to. That's where you would have to do it.
Okay. There's another letter that I submitted yesterday. Would you please open up 737?
Okay.
Please. I explained there where the judge went wrong. And I exactly inserted the case laws. I exactly inserted the administrative laws, which she avoided and violated. She violated. Forget about the Judge Rivera. We're talking about Judge Jeanine Edwards now.
What exactly did she violate?
We'll read the letter. First 5 pages should explain to you. I'll wait.
I'll read it on my own time. Because right now, what we're trying to do, or what I'm trying to explain to you, is what you can do right here and right now. We received your complaints. We've answered your complaints. To our understanding, the matter has been closed because we've told you your ways that you can proceed. We told you that this isn't the proper office to proceed it with. Even gave you, and well, now I'm telling you exactly where you can go. So that's just where we are.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, what is it you guys are trying to achieve? You're trying to achieve that I don't know, to draw the public attention to these actions? Is that what it is we need to do?
No, I'm trying to redirect you into the right way of going about your issue. The issue that you have with the judges in this building.
Can you forward that letter, the document 737 to the judge?
It's filed on NICEF, so she's aware of it.
She's aware of it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. One more thing. And your name again is Trevonna Hepburn, right? I'm sorry, how do you pronounce that? I'm sorry.
My name is Trevonna Hepburn. I'm sure you're recording this conversation as well. But everything that I've said is accurate, is honest, genuinely trying to help you, not trying to push you off, like you indicated.
No.
But unfortunately, yeah, we've given you an answer, and there's not much more that we can do for you today.
Trevonna, believe it or not, I don't feel that I've been helped. But anyway, you know what? It's not for us to discuss.
But the thing is that what we're doing is that we're trying to redirect you to where you can.
What is it? You want me to tell you the laws why the judge Jean Edwards? I will send you a letter. No. As part of this conversation, I actually.
You don't need to. You don't even need to go through that headache. That's what the commission.
No, besides the no. But what is the administrative judge is there for? Huh? So you're telling me it's not her duty. Whatever I said, it stated in my letters with the proof, with the evidence. You said that's not her duty to get to intervene. Is that what you're saying? I just don't understand.
No, no. But what it seems is that what I'm saying doesn't necessarily register with you because you don't agree with it.
No. Hold on. I asked you for the certain things. You should have at least run your own investigation on the issue, which I'm entitled for a report.
We did.
So can I have that report?
There is no report.
So there was no investigation, I would assume.
There was.
If there was an investigation, there should be a report.
What in your mind investigation entails? Everybody has their own way of doing things.
Oh.
We've investigated. We looked into it. It was done properly. We gave you an answer. What it seems is that you don't like the answer, and that's why you're still trying to complain.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
And so now what I'm telling you is what you can do. But what you indicated is that you haven't even tried to file a complaint with the Commission on Judicial Misconduct. And so I'm not sure exactly where you think it can go any further if you're not even trying to take the steps to redirect yourself, even though we are trying to redirect you to at least see what that's about and file a complaint.
Okay,
according to try.
According to the judge, can I just
expect a different result?
Okay, according to the.
But that's what you're doing right now.
You finished?
Would you agree?
No, I don't agree. But according to the Judicial Law 9, it's the mandatory for a Judge Jean to refer that to the conduct commissioner.
I'm sorry?
According to the Judicial Law 9, paragraph 9, it's a mandatory for her to refer this issue. Actually, there was a relief asked sought in that complaint. Anyway.
Like I said, I wasn't able to read the entirety of the letter. I'll be honest with you. So I don't know exactly what you're referring to. But
are you an attorney?
This is a way that you can, what I've stated to you is a way that you can go about doing exactly what you need to do and to receive what you're looking for. Okay? But that's as far as I can tell you at this juncture. Okay? All right. I wish you a great day and be well. Okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
So you see that? That was it.